In today's video, I'll show you an easy way to make $3 for every time someone downloads your Google document. It's simple and free. Just upload your Google document to a specific website. I'll be sharing later in the video, and when people download it, you'll get $3 instantly. You can use your computer or smartphone for this. The website has already paid out over $700,000 to users. You can see proof of payments from other users on the site. They offer different ways to pay you, like PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, and more. To start, go to Google Docs by typing it in the search bar or visiting docs.google.com. Open a new blank document, and we'll come back later in the video to turn the Google Docs into a PDF that will help you make money. The platform we'll be using to make money from Google Documents is File Upload. File Upload is like Google Drive, letting you upload and save data for free. The cool thing about File Upload is that you earn money when people downloaded files from your link. It's simple. Every download using your link means money for you. You can upload files up to 10 gigabytes each. If the downloaders are from the US, Canada, Australia, or the UK, you can make up to $7. For downloads from the UAE or Saudi Arabia, you earn $3, and for other countries, it's the same. Getting paid for people downloading your files is pretty amazing. The minimum payout is only $1, so you can quickly accumulate a decent amount of money. With File Upload, making money from your Google Documents is easy and straightforward. To create your account, simply navigate to the top of the page and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, such as your username and email. Once registered, log in to access the homepage. You'll notice that we offer a generous total storage space of 117 gigabytes at no cost. To start earning on this platform, go to the section that reads Upload Files. This will redirect you to a page where you can monetize your uploads. Returning to Google Docs, our platform for creating the files, your aim is to craft a valuable Google document that others will find highly useful, prompting them to repeatedly download it from your File Upload link and earning you payment for each download. To accomplish this, begin by creating compelling content. Head over to YouTube and search for various free courses spanning a variety of topics. Examples include affiliate marketing courses, Shopify tutorials, crypto courses, or Photoshop guides. Essentially, any subject that comes to mind will do. Collect information for about 5 to 10 of the best free courses available in this field and create valuable content around that in Google Docs. First, identify a noteworthy course. Download its thumbnail to your computer or smartphone. Repeat this process for a minimum of 5 to 10 courses. Next, return to your Google document to document these free courses that you've gotten their thumbnail. Create a good title for the courses. Insert the course thumbnail and write the title of the course there in the Google Docs. Further, add a call to action to each course. Type "click here to watch for free" below the course title, and insert a hyperlink to the YouTube video of the course. Repeat this process for the other courses that you've gotten their thumbnails. Copy the title, paste it, and insert the respective thumbnail. Maintain a consistent format for clarity and professionalism. This step-by-step approach not only organizes your document but also enhances the accessibility and visual appeal of your document. When you're done making these list of courses, click on File, then Download, and select the PDF document option. Now, return to your File Upload account. Click to upload the PDF document, and choose the file from your device. If you want, add a description and click Start Upload. Once uploaded, you'll receive a link. Every time someone downloads the document using your link, you earn a commission. Users benefit from free courses, and you earn money for each download. You can promote that link using social media sites like Quora. Quora is an online platform where people ask and answer questions on various topics. It's a big digital queue and a community where users share their knowledge, experiences, and opinions to help others learn and solve problems. Quora is a space where knowledge is shared in a simple and accessible way. And that is what you can use to your advantage to promote the links of your courses. It's kind of like affiliate marketing, but instead of promoting other people's product, you promote your own product. I recently dropped a video on how to make money with Quora. Watch that video and use the methods described there to promote your File Upload link. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future money-making tips and updates. Remember, the potential is real. And with a bit of consistency and smart actions, you can achieve great results. Until next time, bye.